Hey, it's Monica Salem with Frank Subaru, and we're here at Rady Children's Hospital today. For the 4th year in a row, as part of Subaru Loves to Care, we have partnered with the Leukemia and Lymphoma Society of San Diego and Hawaii chapter, and we're here to bring some smiles to some kids currently inpatient at Rady Children's Hospital. So follow along with us. We just got done delivering the boxes, and it was so amazing to see the joy we could bring to the kids. They absolutely loved the art kits.
And I just want to say thank you so much to Frank Subaru for participating in the Subaru Loves to Care program. We got to deliver blankets and art kits and some really cool sunglasses to some kids that are in need, and it absolutely made their day. So thank you very much.